In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add descriptions in Surveymonkey to enhance your surveys. Whether you want to provide guidance on entire survey pages or offer more detailed explanations for individual questions, these steps will help you create a more informative experience for your respondents. Let's dive right in and explore how to incorporate page descriptions, question-level descriptions, and how you can use additional text and section headers for extra context and clarity. First, let's talk about adding a page description. Page descriptions are particularly useful for giving your respondents some context or instructions regarding the questions they're about to answer. To begin this process, navigate to the Design Survey tab within your Surveymonkey dashboard. Once there, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll spot the option labeled Plus Page Title. Clicking this will reveal fields where you can input both a page title and a description. Even if you choose to leave the title blank, you can still enter your text in the page description field. It's worth mentioning that page titles can be hidden if need be. If that's your preference, simply open the Options menu for the page and disable the titles. The description will remain visible and provide the context your respondents need, even without a visible title. Now let's shift our focus to adding descriptions at the individual question level. This is ideal for clarifying what your questions are about, giving additional guidance, or providing context. Start by adding the question you'd like to enhance, whether it's a multiple-choice question, a text entry, or another type. When you're in the question editor, you'll notice an optional description field situated right below the question title. This is your space to enter any additional text that will help your respondents better understand the question. Simply click into this field and type out the guidance or explanation as needed. This added step ensures that participants have all the necessary details, making it easier for them to provide thoughtful and accurate responses. Incorporating these descriptions can make a meaningful difference in how your surveys are perceived and completed. By providing clear instructions and helpful context, you'll likely see an improvement in both the quality and quantity of responses. Remember, the way information is presented can impact engagement significantly, so these descriptions are more than just text, they're crucial elements of your survey design. I hope this guide has shown you just how easy and effective it can be to add descriptions to your surveys in Surveymonkey. As you experiment with these features, you'll likely find the right balance that fits your survey goals and enhances the experience for your respondents. Thanks for tuning in, and happy surveying!